Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about CNC router for acrylic product making. So as usual, I just want to show the mind map where we will be discussing about what is acrylic pixel glass, acrylic also known as plexiglass. Okay. So we what is that and what is the raw material, what shape and what size, the color of raw material are available in the market, and methods of making acrylic products, and what all kinds of products we can make out of acrylic. So this is the things we will be discussing now, and after that we will see some samples of acrylic products at the end. So let us see what is acrylic or plexiglass. So acrylic or plexiglass is a versatile plastic material. It's a plastic material. So it's used for making aquariums, retail displays, window pans, also many utility items and decorative items. Because what's the advantage is that what is the benefits? It's easy to cut and maintain and install, and it's stronger, and it's also transparent and less expensive. So this is the reasons why we use acrylic or plexiglass for making different products. Now we will see in what all colors it's available in different colors. Also it's white color also available, and many other different colors also available, and also it's available in transparent and in clear nature also it's available. And the different shapes are available. It's available as a sheet form, also as a rod, as a cylindrical rod, and also as tubes. Okay, so these all shapes it's available, so uh, we can use it accordingly. So then the third one is the method of making, how we can make these different items from acrylic. So acrylic, one can be molded or machined. So molded, as you know, we just make the granules and heat it up and put into some molding, injection molding or whatever. In that method, we can create the molded furniture or molded items. Now, what we are interested to discuss here is that what all items we can produce or make by machining process. So we will be using CNC router machine for this purpose. And what is the process, and what is post process involved in it? So we can machine the material which is available, the raw material we already discussed, the raw material in different shapes and colors are available. So shape, we can get a sheet, we can cut the sheet, or rods also machine, tube also we can machine, and from that how we can create different items. That is the thing. So machining, when we do, what all process we can machine it is that we will discuss. That is, one is cutting. We can directly cut the material, whether it is a sheet we can cut. Then also it's a block available, little block shape also we can carve it. You can do the relief carving or V-bit carving, and also you can use engraving or marking, or you also do drilling, or you can do some slotting or V-grooving or chamfering, all those kind of processes. So after doing these processes, we can get a shape that we call as subtractive manufacturing. So in that we can get the required shape as per the design in the CAD software. Once we get that shape, we have to that is the pre-shape actually. So we may require some type of bending, and then we may require it polishing, and we may be machined it's in different pieces. So we have to assemble to get the final product. So these all the things what we have to do after the machining it. That is the process is different process are of machining is available, like that: cutting, carving, engraving and marking, drilling and slotting or grooving, chamfering, etc. So that all you can use with the different machining operations with CNC router machine. So this is after that, once we get that parts or product shapes, we can assemble it. Before that, we may have to bend it to different shape and also to polish it and also to assemble. So this, then we can get the final product from this. Then we can see what different kinds of products we can make out of this from this acrylic using CNC routing. So we can make utility items that which can be used for some purpose, like acrylic swing, dining table, some other we can do it as a tray. Okay, some items, tray, or many items. You can furniture, you can list down many items. If you look at it, look at the things around you which we can make out of the acrylic material. Also there is display or decorative items are available, like wall art panel, name board, point of purchase, where we display items, no, where we can show some display has been even. So if you take look around, you can see a lot of products we can make out of acrylic, and it can be used for that purpose. So these are the products that we can make out of acrylic. So this area we can take as a focused area, and you can work. You are using CNC router machine for machining different kinds of acrylic in different colors as per your requirement. If you want the transparent, you can use the transparent. Also you can use different raw materials like rods, sheets and tubes to machine using CNC router machine and to get the final product. The final product may be an assembled one, so you can cut the different parts and you can assemble it, or you can you may have to one part you have to bend it to get the retail shape, but the cutting you can do in the machine, engraving you can do in that, whether some drilling or holes you have to make, you can do with the CNC router machine, and also some kind of carving or engraving also you can do in CNC router machine. So thus it will help to create that shape. So now we will look at some of the examples, images of acrylic products.